Ever wondered what makes a great leader? The answer lies within your strengths. Introducing Maximizing Your Potential, a strengths-based leadership experience, an interactive workshop designed to elevate your leadership game. Led by industry expert Steve Bousquet, a Gallup-Internationally Certified Clifton Strengths Coach, and Christeen Era, author of Profit First for Lawn Care and Landscape Businesses, this course is all about leveraging your inherent strengths to enhance team collaboration and drive business success. Over 6 weeks, you'll discover your top strengths, articulate and embrace them, and create a personal development plan tailored to your unique talents. Imagine understanding what makes you exceptional and feeling empowered every single day at work. And the best part? Register by midnight tomorrow, December 31st, and snag a $100 early bird discount with code EARLYBIRDMAX100. Don't miss out. Join us. Starting January 14th, 2025 for a virtual experience that will transform your leadership style. Visit grow.greenprofitacademy.com today or scan the QR code in this video and take the first step toward maximizing your potential by elevating your leadership skills and enhancing your overall team performance. Register now.